Hi guys, this is 2005 Mazda 3. So this car had a problem is the random misfiring for the injectors. So I'm going to do today remove the injectors and the clean manually. Get off this cover first, and you can see the injectors in here. This is number 1, 2, 3 and number 4. Okay guys, we have to off this 10mm bolt in here, one here and the one here, that I need to off. So before that we have to release the pressure of the fuel rail. So we have to open the fuel lids. So yeah, open the lid and release the pressure. Okay, leave like that. This round clip. Of the 10mm bolt. Okay, we can slowly wiggle it. Okay, here's the injectors. So I can see the port. So one bush in there. So here's the injectors. I put the pipe on here. Need to put the injector cleaner, and need to put air pressure on here. So there's some O-ring in here. I need to take it off this one. Okay guys, I off already all the 4 washers. So then after, you can see the tips is a block. Okay guys, here's my 12-volt battery. So I'm hook up the wire in one side in the positive and the one side is a negative. this one go into the back of the injector. Okay, when you put it back, so you can hear the noise where the injector is working. Okay, I put like that, and in here I put my injector cleaner. Okay, you can see in here when I put a little bit air pressure. Okay, you can see the little bit air pressure on it. This injector is working. Okay, after that we got the second one. Okay, after got the next one. See, okay, after that off that one. Okay guys, after that we clean the tips. It's pretty much cleaning all four. So then after you have to put back, and then you have to put the o-rings. You need to put a little bit lubricate in here, o-rings. Okay, a little bit more put grease on the o-rings. Now we have to go to put back in it. So this way. It's easily going in. Okay, we put it back in the clip. Oh, good. I'll put back the connectors. Okay guys, finally we install the injectors. It's all good. Now going to start the car. Okay guys, car is running fine, no any misfiring, it's all good. Make sure any the fuel leak somewhere, no any leak. Okay guys, that's how the V injector removal and cleaning. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.